Hello everyone, this is James, MPX AUTOS in Sydney. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share something about how quick and how fast our premium setup will turn on in a Toyota Hilux. This one is Toyota Hilux 2019, and we already fit in the 10-inch premium setup over there. And here's our iPhone. Okay, so now we will wait and see how long it will take. Okay, we press the button here. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay, so at about 8.3 or 8.5 seconds, we got the Apple Carplay straightly show up on the screen. That is the premium setup with the wireless Apple Carplay running in the Toyota Hilux 2019. And yep, that's something that we would like to share. You know, our iPhone here is iPhone XS version. The other iPhone might be 1 second down or 1 or 2 seconds up. It depends, but it's really fast. It's just about like that way. And hopefully you enjoyed this quick one. We are doing we already finished the job in this one, and there's multiple sections that we mentioned in other video. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully you enjoy. Once again, thank you. See you then.